How to cancel order on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can cancel order on Temu. So in order to cancel order on Temu, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you'll have to make sure that you've already purchased an order. Now this highly depends on the product that you've actually ordered. So in some particular application, there will be no such thing as refund or cancel order or cancellation. So you need to just open up a login into your Temu account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile icon or just the U icon, and that's going to direct you to your profile page. On this page, you can see there is your order right in between. Just go ahead and tap on it. After you press on it, you'll be able to find the product that you've actually ordered. So you can see a cancel button if the cancellation is available. If you are unable to see the cancel button, which means that the product cannot be cancelled or that you'll be charged with certain amount while cancelling the product. So in that way, you can cancel your order on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.